Welcome to the Art Project. We're going to make a sketchbook for class. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment. Alright, we're going to make some sketchbooks. We usually make 2 a semester. One sketchbook lasts 9 weeks, and then we'll make another one and it'll last another 9 weeks, and that'll complete the semester. Some of the things that you're going to need, I usually make a label like this for my students. Here's another one. I put a little label on there. Cardstock will work. This is drawing paper that I'm going to use right here. 15 sheets of copy paper, long neck stapler, a ruler, and a knife, and also some tape to laminate it, some packaging tape, clear packing tape to laminate it. The first thing I'm going to do for this project is to decorate the cover. Remember, the front of your cover is going to be on the right and the back of your cover is going to be on the left. But I'm going to skip that step for this video and just show you the next step. I'm going to give every student a label with their name on it, and that needs to go somewhere on the front cover of the book. And you can get real creative. You can put it anywhere you want to on your cover. My stick glue is kind of dried out, so I'm just going to put it right there. I'm going to use that to tape my name down. Just laminating the front cover to protect it and give it a little bit of thickness as well. To do that, I'm covering it in tape and overlapping the tape just a little bit. Smooth it down as smooth as you can. Try to keep the air bubbles out of it. I usually demonstrate this for my students, and then they get to do it themselves. Professional laminating is a little bit thicker and so harder to use as a sketchbook cover. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my 15 sheets of paper and I'm going to fold them in half. Try and make sure that they're really even, just as much as you can. If they're kind of wonky jawed like that, that's just not going to work. Take this and fold it in half. And remember, this is the front cover, this is the back cover. Put our book in the middle and keep it as centered as possible. I'm going to put a staple right in the middle. Don't slam it, just push it down. Let it do its job. It works out a lot better that way. There we have it. It's got 3 staples in it. The staples on the inside are in the very middle. You close it up. You've got a sketchbook. Now I'm going to do one more thing to mine because, like I said, I don't really like this excessive stuff here, and I don't like the way these pages stick out. I like for them all to be even. So I want to trim it, and in order to trim it is to mark it. I'm going to mark it at 5.5 and down here at 5.5. Put my ruler on that line. Take my utility knife and be very careful, don't cut yourself. And then just make a few slices. And then that end of the book looks as if it was as professional as a real sketchbook. I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm going to measure from this end to this end to 8.5. And here, from here to here, 8.5. Put my ruler on those 2 lines. By lining it up at the top, I didn't have to cut the top. And there we have it. I have a sketchbook ready for the year. I also have a book press that I put all of my students' books in and stack them all up and then crank the book press down real hard. So that's how I do it. Thanks for watching.